Hello everybody, today we're going to make a decorative kite. I'm filming in a slightly different place today. I'm filming in my crazy art room. You're going to want to draw a diamond shape like this and then to cut it out. The next step is to cut some scrap fabric, or you can cut some scraps of newspapers or magazines. I'm going to use these fabrics here. Next, arrange your fabrics or your scraps in a way that you think will look nice on your kite. I've created a little kite window to see what would look good and where. Next, you want to glue these scrap fabrics onto the kite shape. I just used a normal glue stick to glue my fabrics on and then trimmed the edges so nothing's dangling off. I've also cut out some scrap flower shapes that I'm going to place at the bottom of my kite to make it a little bit more decorative. Next, you will need some cheap plastic garden cane. You can use sticks from your garden, but I got a pack of these for about 99p. Cut them to size for the length and the width. Then you will need to make a little slit at each end. You will want to make one here, one here. Fold the kite again and do the same at the top. So I've got a slit up here already and a slit down here. Now I'm going to slot my cane through the hole and join it at the top like this. I'm going to repeat the same process for the other side. This stick's a little bit smaller, so I had to make my slits closer together. To secure the back on, you will need 4 pieces of sellotape. You want to sellotape this over each end. This is just to make it a little bit more secure. We want to add on some decorative detail at the end of our kite. So I've got the spare wool and orange lace that I'm going to tie on. You can tie this just at the end of the cane, like this. I want to hang my kite up, so I've got some thread and I've tied a piece at the top of my kite at the back. This is so that I can hang it up. And voila, the kite is completed. Hang it up somewhere so you can enjoy it. I've hung mine in my dining room. Thank you for watching. Bye.
That's my kite now. Ha 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 ha.